At last, we have a deal. After days of intense discussions, the Senate has reached a bipartisan agreement on a historic relief package for this pandemic. It will rush new resources onto the front lines of our nation's healthcare fight, and it will inject trillions of dollars of cash into the economy as fast as possible to help American workers, families, small businesses, and industries make it through this disruption and emerge on the other side ready to soar. In effect, this is a wartime level of investment into our nation. The men and women of the greatest country on earth are going to defeat this coronavirus and reclaim our future. And the Senate's going to make sure they have the ammunition they need to do it.
After 5 days of arduous negotiations, after sleep-deprived nights and marathon negotiating sessions, we have a bipartisan agreement on the largest rescue package in American history. This is not a moment of celebration, but one of necessity. We have the anguish of the American people, wondering about the future of their health, the health of their loved ones, and the economy, necessitates us to do all we can to help them and help our country. To all Americans, I say, help is on the way, big help and quick help. We're going to take up and pass this package to care for those who are now caring for us and help carry millions of Americans through these dark economic times.